Hello, I am Marcia, and today, I come to bring a homemade recipe that will help whiten your teeth. This cinnamon dental powder, in addition to sanitizing, helps whiten teeth, always keeping them clean and healthy, and the best, naturally. But after all, what are the benefits of cinnamon for teeth? Know that cinnamon is antiseptic and helps in preventing cavities.So much so that there are toothpaste products sold in pharmacies and supermarkets that use cinnamon, something that proves the dental effects that the spice generates. Inclusive, the real white gel is made with activated carbon and that is 100% natural, safe and effective, also has in its composition cinnamon. The real white gel whitening, when combined with the lights of the Primal Life Organics LED device, gives you a very white smile in a few minutes. Real white gel is available free of charge for those who purchase Primal Life Organics LED. The LED Primal Life Organics is a whitener that has a teeth whitening system with red and blue LED light, which cures the dentin layer of the teeth, eliminating bacteria that cause internal yellowing, not only on the teeth, but also on the gums, and removes the plaques of bacteria. If you want to know more about this LED Primal Life Organics, see all the ingredients that are in the gel. I'll leave here the link of the official website. Okay? Now look, this cinnamon powder that I'm going to teach here is great, because it allows you to do tooth whitening. In addition to a whitening effect, this homemade cinnamon solution makes teeth healthier and cleaner. To make the cinnamon powder, you will need the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon with natural calcium powder. 1 tablespoon with bentonite clay powder. 1 tablespoon with clove powder, about 6g. 1 teaspoon with cinnamon powder, 3g. As you will prepare this powder, you will mix well all the ingredients, creating a natural solution that will be important for your oral health. How do you use? Wet the toothbrush in water, lightly, and then run it through the created powder. Subsequently, brush your teeth as you do regularly. You should use this recipe only 3 times a week at most. Gradually you will start to see the results. Good guys, that's it. If you want healthy white teeth, make this recipe, but visit the site, know all the benefits of LED Primal Life Organics, and have immediate results. I hope you enjoy. Any questions, leave in the comments. Stay with God, and until the next video.